My name's Derek, and I'm doing the one trip challenge. I just went to Lowe's. I've got a little plumbing problem at my shop. I'm gonna see if I got exactly what I needed the first trip. The only trip, you know. And I'm not a good plumber. Oh, not a good carpenter, not a good plumber. You know, I'm a halfway good mechanic, but that's about it. But I've got some stuff in my bag down here. I'll show you, and I'll show you the well I'm working on. All right, we remembered to bring the hacksaw. Had to buy some hacksaw blades. I mean, I guess those are standard 10-inch. Who would have thought the glue would have been the most expensive part, but that was $10. And these little 3/4 inch inside diameter couplers. I needed 2, but I bought 3. And as always, a little liquid encouragement. Okay, let's go look at the well. Well, I've made my first boo-boo. 10-inch saw blade, 12-inch saw. Go, Derek. Over here to our beautiful well. Okay. This is the new air valve I put in yesterday. And while trying to break the old one loose, I cracked this little pipe right here. Sure did. But anyway, really wish I'd have bought the right size saw blade. That's all they had over there. That's sabotage. Well, I guess you really don't need the saw. I should have cut this in first, so. Oh boy. That wasn't too bad. All right, there's our coupler. Looks like I accidentally got the right size there. This thing is on an angle anyway. Yeah. So I knew I had some pipe down here. Just cut some of that and I'll be all right. Oh man, we're getting lucky. I was just fitting to say I needed some sandpaper. Need a little sandpaper. And there's some down here in the pump house. Isn't that nice? Also, this piece of pipe I found, it's got a big inlet. So we can just stick that on there, glue it, and maybe use one coupler. Sounds easy. Let's try it. Got our super fancy $10 glue here. Oh boy. Quite have enough hands. Okay. Oh, that looks like some $10 glue. For sure. Gotta be. Okay. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, let's get one of these little fittings here. I don't drink out of this, so you know, I'm not super worried about glue getting inside the pipe. Now, mosquitoes has got to let me know who the boss is. So I'm outside for good luck. Oh, that's professional grade right there. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't realize how much greatness you just witnessed. You don't realize how mean these mosquitoes are. All right, we got to reprime the wheel. I've got a dirty Culligan jug I was catching water with while this was cracked and leaking. I caught water, you know, I thought ahead. So I'm fixing to open this other thing. We're going to prime the wheel. It's kind of close quarters in here. So this is, you can't see it, this is my out pipe going to the building. And this is a fancy funnel I made. Oh my God, there's a mosquito on my back. Okay. Wait, let me close this pipe. Gotta close the out pipe. And it does a bubble thing. It'll fill back up. Then it burps. Oh, I wish that mosquito would take a break. Go on, bite somebody else. Now I may have to go somewhere else to get some more prime water. That may be the only second trip I do. That seems a little bit backwards, doesn't it? Pour the water in there and it shoots the water out. We could speed this part up.
Unless you like to watch suffering.
I know everybody in the actual plumbing business is probably cringing. Let's see, what is this guy doing? Okay. Probably not enough. The mosquitoes did not have to be part of this equation by any means. All right, I don't even know if y'all can see that. Not enough water to prime it. Or was it? I hear good sounds. Oh man. This thing might actually be priming. That's beautiful. Shallow well. It's priming, y'all. Lord have mercy. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. So we got 10 PSI, you can't tell me nothing. So look a beautiful 60s model Ford truck cab. This is the pump house. Oh man, we hit 11. Shoot. That's water. We got water. Well, maybe YouTube's a good luck charm today. I did like 90% of that on camera. Anyway, we're gonna go use the water hose, use the sink, use the bathroom, and just be so happy that we got water back at my shop. Well, y'all have a good one, Puddin'. Appreciate the help. I know you was watching. I know you was rooting for me to get it done on the first trip. And other than that saw blade being 10 and I need 12, it went pretty smooth. Hey, y'all, please don't forget to check out my other videos here on YouTube. We got a lot of them. I don't know if you like cars, trucks, or country music parodies. But we got a lot of them. Check out the channel. We'll greatly appreciate it. We done. Don't look at my tag. I think I reward myself. I don't drink these every day, but you know, little victory sip. Oh yeah, tastes like victory. Have a good one, Puddin'.